The following guidance is designed to help you prepare for the SFIA self-assessment survey by using the A3 chart and the complete reference guide. Some pre-survey preparation could reduce the time you spend doing the surveys themselves. The SFIA version 7 framework consists of 102 different skills, each of which can be described at up to 7 levels. To assist in the navigation of the skills are grouped into 6 different categories, and the categories are then divided into subcategories. Using the A3 chart, review the categories and subcategories to choose the ones that seem to describe the types of work that you have been involved in, and then select the skills that sound the most appropriate. You will need to consider not just the skill itself, but the level at which you perform and have mastered that skill. You will then need to check the reference guide to see if the skills at the levels you identified match the detailed documented descriptions, and then adjust accordingly. The following should also be taken into consideration. You should read the descriptions carefully. For example, there is a difference between consultancy and specialist advice, as well as between innovation and emerging technology monitoring. You will need to consider how current your skills are. Are they up to date? Which means, are they still relevant and are they still being applied? And in general, currency means you have applied them within the last 7 years. Keep in mind that for SFIA, it's about having actually applied and mastered the skill, not just the knowledge of what it is about. You can find further information about SFIA, as well as download these reference guides free from the SFIA Foundation website at www.sfia-online.org. You will also be defining your generic levels of responsibility, which will be related to your current situation. This is an example description of level 1 of the generic levels of responsibility. The following scenes are a rough guide to the SFIA categories that will contain most of a person's skills based on the following ICT career situations. These categories would be relevant for someone who is technology biased, so hands dirty in development or systems or support. These categories will be someone who works with people, so in projects or business analysis. These categories for someone providing consultancy, so advice and guidance, often based on specific areas of expertise. People involved in leadership and strategic thinking, guiding and defining the ICT services required by the business will be looking at these 3 categories. These categories would relate to a business person with an understanding of digital and data opportunities. For an ICT entrepreneur running an innovative company or department, these 3 categories would be most relevant. And if you're a knowledge transfer expert educating the future digital workforce, then skills and quality would be your main category. And that concludes this tutorial.